I could be down every day because of my situation, but that's not the case. I want to show people that no matter what your situation, everything is possible.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Before we dive in, please make sure you subscribe if you haven't already for more beauty trends, beauty tips and tricks like hair growth hacks for example, and self-development. And if you are already a subscriber, thanks. Alright, let's get to it. So I saw this video going viral on Facebook and I had to make a video about it. This black beauty has no arms and does everything including her makeup with her feet. Barcroft TV did a special on her and it was inspiring. She has so much confidence in who she is and she knows she can do anything. I like her mentality and it can help many girls who have low self-esteem and doubt themselves. Let's take a look.
So mostly every morning, or sometimes, not all the time, but I do my eyelashes. No, I can do all my makeup on my own because at first I did not know how to do any makeup. So it took practice and time. Like every morning I get up, I brush my teeth, I do my makeup sometimes, but not every day. I can cook, I can clean, I drive. I just literally do everything. Well, I was born without both of my arms. It's called bilateral focomelia. The condition is very rare. At first, I thought I was the only person that was born without any arm.
Then, she got a man who cares about her and treats her with respect. Ladies, that only comes to you if you respect yourself and you don't tolerate anything less. I can tell that she loves herself and that type of energy is very attractive. I mean, you can look like a model, but if you have low self-esteem, you're going to attract people who treat you the way you see yourself.
I remember a boy told me like, you know, he wouldn't be able to date me because he wouldn't be able to hold my hand if we were walking somewhere, you know? So that kind of affected me, but when I started to accept myself, I mean, my dating life wasn't that bad.
This guy clearly cares about her and they are the cutest couple. Look what he had to say about her.
My first impression of Kashmir, it was a smile, like just the glow on her face. That's really what caught me. Her disability never bothered me not one. If it did, like I say, I wouldn't be with her right now. I looked past that and I didn't let that get to me or let that stop me from talking to her.
Because I don't think I've ever asked you this right. Have you ever been embarrassed to be with her because she doesn't have arms, like out in public?
I haven't.
Never?
I haven't.
Really?
I mean, like when we first started going in public, I was a little shy because everybody like look at her and stuff like that, but I was never embarrassed.
I feel like nothing is impossible, like nothing, no matter what the situation looks like as long as you stay strong, you do what you want to do, and you set your mind to it, it'll happen.
I feel like if she can do her hair, makeup, cook, and clean with no hands and have the confidence that she has, those who have no disability have no excuse. Y'all, we need to oil our scalp, do our edges and makeup, and put our best foot forward in this life because you can do all things through Christ that gives you strength, and she is living proof. You can conquer those mountains, alright? Let me stop preaching. I know y'all get my point. But make sure you check out her YouTube channel and subscribe. The link is in the description box. Until next time.
You know, that you can be whoever you want to be, or you can do whatever you want to do. There's no limit to anything. What's up, YouTube? It's Kashmir.
And it's Jay.
Back with another video.